Dry cleaning is a process that uses solvents to clean clothes and other fabrics without water. It was invented by Jean-Baptiste Bollée in the mid-19th century, and it revolutionized the way people cleaned their clothes. Before dry cleaning, many fabrics could not be washed with water, and people had to resort to using methods like beating, brushing, or airing out their clothes to remove dirt and stains. With dry cleaning, delicate fabrics such as silk, cashmere, and wool can be cleaned without damage. The process of dry cleaning involves placing clothes in a machine that uses a solvent, such as the chloroethylene or hydrocarbon, to dissolve dirt and oil. The solvent is then drained, and the clothes are dried and pressed. The use of solvents instead of water makes it possible to clean delicate fabrics without damaging them. Dry cleaning also helps to remove stains that would be difficult or impossible to remove with water. While dry cleaning has made cleaning delicate fabrics easier and more effective, it is not without its environmental and health concerns. The solvents used in dry cleaning can be harmful to the environment and to human health. Chloroethylene, for example, is a carcinogen and can cause dizziness, headaches, and other health problems. Hydrocarbon solvents, while less toxic than perchloroethylene, can still be harmful to the environment if not disposed of properly. To improve the dry cleaning process, efforts are being made to develop safer and more environmentally friendly solvents. Some dry cleaners are switching to less toxic solvents, such as liquid carbon dioxide, which can be recycled and reused. Others are using wet cleaning, which is a water-based cleaning process that uses special equipment and detergents to clean delicate fabrics. Wet cleaning is considered to be safer and more environmentally friendly than dry cleaning. In addition to improving the solvents used in dry cleaning, there are also efforts to reduce the amount of waste generated by the process. Many dry cleaners are now using machines that recycle the solvent, reducing the amount of waste generated. Some dry cleaners are also using biodegradable and compostable packaging to reduce the environmental impact of the process. Overall, while dry cleaning has changed the world by making it possible to clean delicate fabrics more effectively, there is still room for improvement in terms of its environmental and health impact. Continued research and development of safer and more sustainable solvents, as well as efforts to reduce waste and improve packaging, can help to make dry cleaning a more environmentally friendly and sustainable process.